Adding an email list to Klaviyo is a straightforward process that helps you start sending campaigns to your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prepare your email list. Organize your contacts in a spreadsheet. Ensure the file includes a header row with fields like first name, last name, email, etc. Save the file as a CVS or TXT file. Access Klaviyo. Log into your Klaviyo account. Go to the List and Segments tab in the left-hand menu. Create or select a list. Click Create List or Segment and choose List. Name your list. Import your contacts. Open the list and click Manage List, Import Contacts. Upload your CSV or TXT file by dragging it into the uploader or browsing for the file. Match the fields in your file to Klaviyo fields. Review and confirm the import. Confirm import. After importing, Klaviyo will show a summary of the successfully added contacts. Ensure compliance with email marketing regulations by only uploading users who have opted in.